On this video, I want to show you how you can set up a gift card. So if I'm on the menu on the left and I go to payments, there should be a new option up here at the top that says gift cards. I'm going to click on the gift cards option. It'll have a button here to click on create gift card here and then create gift card here as well too. They both take you to the same thing, so you can click on either or. So now the page will change to this is where you can enter in the basic information for the gift card. So if we want to name the gift card, that would be in this first section here. So we'll name the gift card. Um, we can name it like a $25 gift card. And then give it a description. A $25 gift card to use for any services or products. You can add an expiration date in here as well too for when you want it to expire. So if we want it to expire like in 2030, we can put a date in here for 2030. Oops, I didn't hit confirm. So let's go back. Hit confirm. All right, there's our expiration date. For the link, if you want a link to be included with this, you can add a link. That's where you can add a link. And then this will be shared with the gift card so that way they can use it. If you don't want a link, that's fine. If you want the terms and conditions down here or any other type of information that they may need to know that's important. Maybe you can't do refunds on purchasing the gift card. You can do that. Gift card. All right, so we have everything in here that we want to add, and then we'll hit continue. Okay. So once we hit continue, it'll take us to step 2, where we can select either a template or upload a template or just create a gradient. So um, we can upload, let's see, let's upload it'll take you to the media storage, directly to the media storage. So let's just we're just gonna add an image here. Oh, let's do this one. It was a little bit too big. All right. So I added that. We got our picture in there for upload template. If you wanted to select a template that you've already have, you can do that in here. Create maybe different colors for it as well too. You can do that as well. You can change out the start and end colors here or customize and make your own type of colors as well too. All right, so you can play around with that. And then if you want, this is a direction button, so it just shows you how the gradient kind of flows on that particular for those two colors that are kind of combining. If you want to add this to your templates, you can add that to templates. You can add that to templates there. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one here. I'm gonna hit continue, and then for our set values for tax and category, this is step 3. We can add in the amounts that they have here for um, how much it's worth, how much they can spend on it. You can also add a custom amount in here. So let's say, because 30 isn't on here, so let's say if we did 30, we can add that. But we did 25. So I'm going to select 25, take the custom out. If you want to put a like amount of how many that you're going to sell or that's in your inventory, your back stock, you can do that. So let's say we only got 50 that we're going to sell and then allow sales um, went out of stock. So you can still sell them even though you're past the 50. So that's what that allow sales when out of stock means. If you want to add tax on top of the gift cards, you can click on the product tax category for others slash gift cards as well too. If you want to put this in a category, so like put this in like kind of like a folder for these type of gift cards, you can do that as well too here. You can just name it how you want to. When you come back and do this again, if it's already there, you can just click nest under and then you'll be able to see them listed here. All right. So I'm going to hit continue. It'll take us to the next one here. This is the color I chose. So I guess I didn't, when I went back, I didn't actually select it, but here is the color for the gradient that I chose with the white and the blue. You see how it's kind of going sideways because that's what we chose. Um, Here is the terms and conditions here. There's a URL link to it. Here's an expiration date, the value of how much it's worth. It's also on the card as well too. And then we have our quantity that's available. So we have 50 of these that are available for sale. This is just a preview of how everything looks. If you want to go back and edit anything, you just click on the pencil that's here on the right. You can go back and change things out. You can do that. Um, and then let's see. Once we've done everything here that we want to, we'll just click on create gift card. All right, so now we got our gift card in here that we created. So if you want to send it, if you want to edit it, if you want to sell it, if you want to share the QR code, you can do all of those things on this page right here. So you don't have to actually click on it. But if you do want to send it, you can send it by clicking on the send button, and then you can click on the customer that you want to send it to, add a message, um, and whatnot. So we'll go over that on a different video as well too, um, to keep this one a little short. So that's how you create the gift card.